Hello and welcome. I'm Helena Silva and I'm excited to walk you through how mathematics is structured at CLIP, the Oporto International School, in forms 11 and 12. This video will give you a clear overview of what to expect and how we support students throughout their learning journey. Let's begin with AS and A-level mathematics. The A-level mathematics course is divided in two stages. AS, typically taken in Form 11, and for students that achieved a C in IGCSE Extended only, and A2 level, completed in Form 12. Together, these two stages make up the full A-level maths in mathematics. At AS level in Form 11, students take two papers, Pure 1 and an applied module, which can be either Mechanics 1 or Statistics 1. In the pure mathematics paper, students develop key skills in algebra, trigonometry, and calculus, forming a solid foundation in mathematical thinking. This paper accounts for 60% of the final AS grade, while the applied module makes up the remaining 40%. The same weighting applies to the A2 modules. When choosing applied paper, students should consider their academic interests and future university path. Those also studying physics AS often choose mechanics, as the subjects complement each other. Students aiming for the degrees in social science, economics, or biology-related fields may find statistics more relevant. Here's a brief overview of what each applied module covers. Mechanics 1 includes energy, work and power, forces and equilibrium, kinematics of motion in a straight line, and Newton's laws of motion. Statistics 1 covers measures of location and spread, probability, combinations and permutations, statistical graphs, discrete random variables, and several distributions, including binomial, geometric, and normal distribution. Moving into Form 12, students can take the A2 level maths, which includes Pure Mathematics 3, which extends and deepens the content of AS Pure 1, and a second applied module. The choice of the second applied paper depends on what the students study in Form 11. If they took Mechanics 1 at AS, they have to take Statistics 1 in A2. If they took Statistics 1 in AS, they can either continue to Statistics 2 or switch to Mechanics 1. This structure enables students to both broaden and deepen their understanding of mathematics in areas aligned with their academic and career goals. The final A-level grade is calculated as 50% AS and 50% A2. In addition to the standard A-level pathway, CLIP also offers an enhanced option for students with a strong aptitude and enthusiasm for the subject, further mathematics. Students who choose further mathematics typically complete IGCSE by October of Form 10 and then start AS Pure Mathematics in the same academic year. This early start is essential to complete the required components of the further mathematics A-level. In Form 11, these students must choose Mechanics 1, as it is a prerequisite for progressing in the further mathematics curriculum. Without this module, completing the full A-level in further mathematics is not possible. The further mathematics syllabus includes further Pure 1, further Pure 2, further mechanics, and further statistics. It's an ideal course for students planning to pursue mathematics, engineering, or certain economic degrees at top universities. While academically rigorous, further mathematics offers an exceptional opportunity for students to develop critical thinking, advanced problem-solving skills, and resilience, all of which are highly valued by both universities and employers. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of how mathematics and further mathematics are structured at CLIP. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you for watching.